model, 2014 Fiat Doblò Cargo 1.6 MultiJet 16-valve diesel Euro 5. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 123178. MOT, the 29th of January 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 198 A3000, E5, C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox changes gear well and pulls in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call